Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see the top 4 best website to watch anime for free. So, open your browser and search for Crunchyroll. This is the one best website to watch anime for free. The other one is for that go back to your browser again and search for Funimation. This is also one of the best website to watch variety of anime for free. But this might not be available on your location, so to watch it you can use VPN as well. So the other one is go back to your browser and search for Tubi TV. This is also one of the best website to watch anime for free. The last one is Popcorn Flix. This is also free website to watch anime. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.